Hi friends, welcome to Adda 24/7. We are in the Sankalpa series for BFM and we are covering all the important theory as well as numericals in this series. So earlier we have completed chapter number 1, important theory, and some part of chapter number 2. Today I will be covering chapter number 2, some remaining questions and one numerical which has been brought back on popular demand. Many of the students requested for the demand for the numerical of tax collected at source. Very important tax for foreign exchange. So that's why watch the video till the end. Let's start without wasting the time. See here. Firstly, the point is release of this is chapter number 2. Okay, so it is release of foreign exchange. It is related to LRS, liberalized remittance scheme. So firstly, the topic covered today is release of foreign exchange in form of foreign currency notes, that is cash. Remember this, we are talking only of cash, nothing else. We are not talking of, okay, what are the various modes of currency notes or currency transfer? One is cash, right? Cash. Second is what? Everyone kindly answer. First is cash, second one is what? Everyone, first is cash, second one is TCs, travelers checks, TCs. Okay, third one, TT, telegraphic transfer, TT, telegraphic transfer. Okay, there are others also, but these are the three main ways used. Okay, so here we are talking only of cash. We are not talking of TC, not of TT. So what is it given? Say this: foreign exchange foreign exchange in full. Say this: in full may be released in the form of foreign currency notes or up to the cash limits specified by the Hajj Committee of India to the Hajj pilgrims. Now, this we are talking specifically for the Hajj Committee, Hajj pilgrims, because this question is asked many times in exam. Even in May 23, this question was there. May 23 also. Okay. So, this question is asked many times in exam for Hajj Committee. So, what is the condition given? Everyone just pay attention. Huh? Foreign exchange in full may be released. Means what here? There are two. First, I'll remove this now. This is of no use to you. You know all this now. So I'll remove this. Yeah. So now understand. Foreign exchange in full may be released or as the cash limit specified by the Hajj committee. Now what does it mean here? Suppose if somebody is going for the Hajj. So there are two ways of releasing cash. Up in full. In full means what? What is the full amount of under LRS? Everyone. What is the full amount under LRS? Yes. Full amount under LRS. Everyone. Yes, 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 yes. We did this yesterday, day for yesterday, right? Full amount in LRS is dollar 2,50,000. So it can be released full amount 2,50,000 or as specified by the Hajj committee. Okay. So either of these two. So if tomorrow Hajj committee says release only $50,000, then if they say only 50,000, so what will happen? Only $50,000 will be released. If they say release 3 lakh, suppose tomorrow Hajj committee says we need $3 lakh, it will never say. But if it says $3 lakh per person, now look at this. This is per person. Remember, this is always per person, per person, per year, per financial year, per financial year. Okay, so this limit is per person per financial year. What is this 2,50,000? This 2,50,000 is LRS limit, liberalized remittance scheme limit. Everyone knows this LRS. We have done this in our earlier lecture. LRS is what? It is for balance of payment basically. Let me explain you a few things over here because some things are important for you to understand. See here, always remember there are two parts in payment system. Not payment system actually, in country's overall economy. There are two parts. One is balance of trade BOT. And second is balance of payment, BOP. Okay. What do you have in balance of trade? In balance of trade, you have import, trade. Trade means what? Business. Import and export. Okay. Export. So in balance of trade, what happens? It's pure import and export. I'm having some documents also, everything. Suppose if I'm doing some export from India, so I'll be having the documents. If I'm doing some import in India, I'll be having the documents. So whenever I'm having both the documents, so what does the Indian government say, or what does the FEMA say? FEMA says that under BOT, if you are having proper documentation, you can do unlimited amount of transactions. Unlimited amount, okay, of transactions means I can have an export order for, let's say, dollar 10 crore. This much export order also I can do. I can do an import of dollar 10 crore subject to I'm having proper documentation. So this is known as convertibility of rupee. Convertibility of rupee. So convertibility of rupee under BOT is full. Full convertibility of rupee is 100%. 100% convertibility of rupee is allowed under BOT. But under BOP it's not the same. What is BOP? Balance of payment. Here what comes in? Here it was import export. So here in BOP there won't be any import export. There would be NRIs transferring funds to their father, mother in India. Some father transferring the funds to his son or daughter in USA. Someone investing in India for under investment basically see here it is non-trade related transaction. Okay. So the problem over here is in non-trade related transactions you have very less documentation. Suppose if I'm an NRI, let's say I'm an NRI and I'm transferring funds to my father over here or mother in India. Now being in relation, I can transfer any amount, isn't it? If I go on transferring, then what happens? Is there any fraud? What business am I doing in US or anywhere? Reverse case also. I am the father in India and I'm transferring the funds to my daughter in USA. I'm going on transferring the funds. Once first month I transfer, let's say $1 lakh. $1 lakh I transfer, okay, dollars. Second month again I come, I transfer again 1 lakh, again 1 lakh, $2 lakh. Third month again I come, transfer, let's say $5 lakh. Now why my daughter needs these much funds or my son needs these much funds in USA? So that's why FEMA has brought a cap on this. You can't go on transferring anything without these documentation parts. I say medical, I have some medical treatment. So that's why I'm transferring $5 lakh. What is such a huge expensive medical treatment which requires $5 lakh? So that will be checked. So that's why under BOP, this everything is checked and there is a cap on this. This cap comes under LRS, Liberalized Remittance Scheme. So it says that you can transfer $250,000 per year per person. Per year per person. Okay. So that is the LRS scheme. So here what can we say? Rupee is not fully convertible. Rupee is partially convertible. Why? Because there is a limitation on this. I can't go on transferring these funds 5 lakh, 10 lakh, 20 lakh dollars. Okay. Partially convertible. So under BOP, we have partially convertible rupee. This is very important to understand. Okay. So this was an important point for discussion. Now what does the Hajj committee say? It says that if it says that you have to transfer $50,000 for Hajj, then they'll transfer only that much. Either of these two, lower. Always remember it's lower. It's not higher. Okay. So it's lower of these two, lower. So coming back, travelers proceeding to Islamic Republic of Iran, Russian Federation, including erstwhile CIS country means Russian Federation. Federation means It includes all that USSR countries which was there earlier. Now USSR is gone, but related to those countries. Okay, even Ukraine comes under that. Even this Armenia, Azerbaijan, they come under that only. So these all countries traveling to Islamic Republic of Iran or these Russian Federation countries, full exchange may be released in form of foreign currency notes. So full exchange, complete may be released, means $250,000 if the customer demands. Okay, not every time, if the customer demands. Travelers proceeding to Iraq and Libya, USD 5,000 only. So if somebody is proceeding to Iraq or Libya, it's specifically 5,000. Why did I take these three cases only? Because these three cases are the most important cases from exam point of view. Every exam they ask you either of these three cases, either. Okay, they may ask you, mainly they ask you every time about Hajj committee only. Second time, Iraq and Libya, they ask you sometime. USSR, they asked very less nowadays. Okay. So you got this BOT, BOP. Everyone type yes if you have understood the concept up till now. Type yes, everyone. Have you understood the concept? Okay. Shall I move ahead? Sure. Yeah. Type yes, yes, yes. I'm seeing yes, yes. Let me see yeses. How many yeses I am getting? Correct? Yeah. So I'm seeing yes. So good. Okay. Everyone move ahead. Chalo. Everyone first subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. In this channel, you get the latest YouTube series on all the subjects. Here, latest YT series means on all the subjects. So YT series means what? Like what are you watching right now? You're watching YT series only on BFM. Similarly, you have ABM. Similarly, you have ABFM. Then BRBL. All the four even the this electives. So free YT series you are having it. So whatever is available free, why don't you grab it first? Click on subscribe now button. Click on the bell icon. Like this. Everyone like this. And what are you doing? Why aren't you sharing? See here, Indians are very conjuice in sharing. Okay, miser in sharing. We should always go on sharing whatever is available, isn't it? So you can share it with your friends in your Telegram groups, in your WhatsApp groups, isn't it? So this is YT, first thing you get, and second thing you get is updates. Latest updates from IIBF on AIB and CB. All the updates, you'll get it immediately over here. That's why I'm saying, click on the bell icon. Then only you'll get the latest videos. Okay, done. Now on numerical. This is on the popular demand. Many of the students have asked for this numerical again. I'd taken it earlier, but many of the students wanted it. See here. TCS means what? Tax collected at source. Tax, I'll write it over here. Tax collected at source. Okay. Tax collected at source. This is TCS. So in TCS, what do we do? Tax collected. It's not that TCS, huh? TCS, Tata Consultancy Services. Those who are in stock market might be remembering this TCS. Right? So tax collected at source. In case of non-availability or PAN or Aadhaar, TCS is collected at 10%. Now this is all related to forex transfers. Okay, related to forex transfers only we are talking of. Okay, forex transfers. So in case of non-availability of PAN or Aadhaar, TCS is collected at 10%. So the rate of tax will be 10%. TCS is also applicable for transactions involving transfer of domestic rupee account to NRO account under LRS. So rupee to NRO. So what do you mean by this rupee to NRO? Say this. If I am having some savings account of mine and then I become my NRI, So what happens? So this savings account balance, always remember this savings will have to be closed down. So I'll have to close this savings and convert it to NRO, right? Either close or convert the same savings to NRO. That is also allowed. Both the things are allowed. So if somebody transfers some funds from my local account, from his local account to my NRO account, then there is a limitation on this. What is that limitation? Now that limitation is for 7 lakh rupees. 7 lakh. Okay. 7 lakh. Maximum INR 7 lakh. Huh? Here we are talking of INR rupees. Rupees 7 lakh. So what does it mean? It means that suppose I'm an NRI and I'm a flat owner in Mumbai. Okay, I'm having a flat in Mumbai. Now let's say this flat gives me a rent of, let's say, 80,000 per month or 1 lakh per month. 1 lakh per month. There is a rent of 1 lakh. That's not, don't think it's a joke. Okay, 1 lakh per month rent. Now for 12 months, how much will it be? Now, firstly, understand this customer who's staying in the flat will have the savings account, right? And I'm an NRI. I'll be having the NRO account. Here, I can't transfer the funds to NRE. NRE local funds can't be transferred at all. So the funds can be transferred only to my NRO. So this guy will be transferring every month 1 lakh rupees. So 12 months, how much is it transferring? 12 lakh. So now government says if it is above 7 lakhs, you'll have to pay a tax. What is the tax rate? The tax rate is 5%. And if you don't have a PAN number or PAN, that person who is transferring it, okay, this person's PAN number is not available. The one who is transferring it, not my. If this person doesn't have a PAN number, then the tax rate is 10%. Next one, remittance under LRS towards studies abroad, where sources of funds is educational loan. 0.5% will be the TCS. Here, this is if you are going for education and the funds are from loan. This is very important. One is education, studies, and second is loan. Both the things should be there. It's not either, it's both. I must go for education and there should be a loan component in my funding. Then the TCS applied is 0.5%. Apply and is applicable over the threshold of 7 lakhs. So this 0.5 is applicable above 7 lakhs. Okay. You'll understand from the example which I take now. Look at this example. Let's say a customer A. See here, there are three customers. Customer A, B and C. Okay. There are three customers now. Now let's say there is a customer A. This customer A comes to your branch tomorrow and transfers 6,50,000. This customer transfers 6,50,000 rupees. See here, we are talking of rupees over here on April 4th. So how much TCS will you apply? TCS. Suppose, imagine the customer is having everything. PAN number is there, PAN is there, Aadhaar is there. Both the things are there. See here, the customer should have either PAN or Aadhaar. See here, always remember, now the things have changed. It's either PAN or Aadhaar. It's not that both. Some customer might have PAN, some customer might have Aadhaar also. So both the things are allowed. Okay. So now imagine this customer is having PAN. Now this customer comes to a branch and transfers, let's say, 6,50,000 INR. So how much tax will you charge? So now this 6,50,000, it's very simple. Now this 6,50,000 is, what is the maximum limit? What is, I'll write it over here. Limit is, what is limit? Everyone just type, just now I told you rupees. Limit is rupees 7 lakhs, correct? Up to 7 lakh, no tax. So when this person, and this is per year, remember this, per year, per person, per year, per person, okay? PYPP will write it, PYPP. So per year, per person. So this time when this person comes on April 4th, you'll see how much is the fund transfer? 6,50,000. So no tax because it is within 7 lakhs, right? So no tax will be charged. Now this person, same person, again comes on May 5th and now he wants to make a remittance of rupees 9,50,000. Rupees 950. So you'll have to convert it into dollar and then transfer. But the point is 9,50,000 rupees. So what does it mean? What is the limit? 7 lakhs per year per person. Now earlier he had transferred 650. Now he's transferring 950. So what will I do as a banker? I will first deduct 7 lakh from this. So this total will be considered now 950 plus 650. So 10 and 6, 16 lakhs, right? This becomes 16 lakhs up to this part, up to this, okay? So 16 lakhs. So out of this 16 lakhs, what will I do? 7 lakhs subtract minus 7 lakhs. That is free, right? So what is remaining now? 9 lakhs. So 9 lakhs are remaining. So what will I do as a banker on this date? I'll take the tax TCS of 5% on this 9 lakh. See this, 5% will be deducted on 9 lakhs. Got it? So now this person again comes on December 10th. Everyone, firstly, everyone has got this point, whatever I am trying to explain. April 4th, when this person came first time, it was within the limit, so no tax. On May 5th, when this person came second time, what was he doing? He was going beyond my limit. So I'll add this now and then subtract my limit, isn't it? And then add tax on that 5% on that 9 lakh. Now on this part, on December 10th, this person again comes and makes a remittance of 40,000. Now in this case, what will happen? If the remittance is of 40,000, now earlier tax is paid. No problem in this. I have already collected the tax for these two transactions. Now the third, I'll just take it 5% on 40,000. 5% will be collected on the incremental 40,000 as the remitter has crossed 7 lakhs here. This is per person per year. He has already crossed 7 lakhs earlier. Now this is above. So that's why 5% will be collected on that 40,000. Okay. Clear? Next one. Second customer comes, customer B. He wants to make a remittance of 20 lakhs right now. First transaction only, April 30th. Direct 20 lakhs. What will you do? He has immediately crossed the limit. He or she. He or she has already crossed the limit. So what will you do? You will make it very simple. 20 lakhs minus 7 lakhs. 7 lakhs is my limit. So 20 minus 7 is 13 lakhs. I'll just collect this 35% on the 13 lakhs. Look at this. 5% will be collected on the 13 lakhs. Simple. Because 7 lakhs is the limit, I'll keep it as it is. Now customer C makes a remittance of 10 lakhs for pursuing education through loan obtained from a financial institution. Means there is a customer who wants his son or daughter to go abroad and study, and for that he is taking a loan from the bank. Now that satisfies the condition, both the conditions. What were the conditions? One, studies. Second, loan. So what is the rate of interest? 0.5. But on what amount? Above 7 lakhs. So 10 lakhs minus 7 lakhs. That is 3 lakhs. So 3 lakhs into 0.5%. Right? So if I ask you the question now, what will be the tax collected on this person, customer C? Who can give me the answer? What will be the tax collected on the... Okay, give me the answer for both the persons, customer B and customer C. What is the tax amount which you will collect from both the customers? Everyone type fast. This is 13 lakhs and 5%, right? So 13 lakhs and 5% is what? It is, yes, 13 lakhs and 5%. So it is 65,000, right? 65,000 over here. And what is the tax collected on this person? Correct. Everyone type fast on this also. So 3 lakhs and 1.5%. So 1% of 3 lakhs is what? 3,000, right? Always remember, divided by 100. So 1% of 3 lakhs is 3,000. And what is 0.5% and half of that? So 1,500. So 1,500 will be the tax collected from this person for education. Okay. So got this point, everyone? Keep it very simple. Okay. Again, I'll summarize this because last time also I had taken this numerical, but some of the students demanded it to take it again. So remember, if the limit is below 7 lakhs, no tax is to be collected. If the limit goes above 7 lakhs, then you'll have to collect the tax on the difference, not the original amount, not the full amount. Okay, that is the basic summary. If you are going for education and have taken a loan, then the amount of tax is 0.5%, and that is also on the difference. It's not on the full amount. Clear? Clear, everyone? Everyone is getting this? Okay, everyone has got this point. This is very important. Okay, everyone got the point? Okay, now all of you download Adda 24/7 app right now. In this app, you'll be getting the premium study material plus live classes, ebooks, tests, everything. Whatever you need for clearing CAIIB and CAIIB, you'll get it over here. Immediately download it. Okay. Now this English batch, Sankalpa batch, join immediately. just now started. All the 4 subjects are covered: numericals, objective questions, case studies, everything is covered. I'll show you how to join this. Okay, everyone go to Adda 24/7. I would always suggest you to go through the app, because in the app you're getting coin system. This coin system will help you to get additional benefit of, let's say, 1% around. Okay, so go to Adda 24/7, everyone. On Adda 24/7, click on JIB and CIB. Click. Now you'll see CAIIB November 23. Click on CAIIB November 23. Click. Now you'll see the Sankalpa batch. See this Sankalpa batch. In fact, new batch is starting from September 4th. Everyone, see this, very good advantage for you. Sankalpa batch September 4th. New batch is starting. You can join this. Okay, join this September 4th batch coming up. Just coming up. So it's a fresh batch. Join everyone. Okay. 4799 is the fees. Here, such a huge discount you are getting right now. See, this offer won't last long. 80% off is going on. JC code is already applied. So you will be getting, you won't get this offer again and again. Click on the, see here, coupon code is already applied. So you need not apply any coupon now. So 80% off, 23,999 reduces to 4799. Isn't it a huge discount? In fact, you can go for Mahapack. Look at the Mahapack. Mahapack means what? Multiple batches per subject. Look at it. JIB, CIB, Mahapack. Click on CIB Mahapack 2. In this Mahapack, you are getting multiple batches. Number 1, online live classes, test series, ebooks, videos, all these things. Just go through the content, isn't it? Recorded videos are available. So in recorded videos, what happens if you miss some classes, then you can definitely get back. Okay, click on buy now. Look at this, double validity is going on, 12 months. 12 months. Okay, this double validity and 80% off. This offer won't last long. Grab it right now. 36,837 is reduced to 7,367. Such a huge discount on 10 plus batches, 10, 15 batches of same subject. Ebooks, tests, everything is available. What all you get in Mahapack? You get multiple batches, ebooks, tests, mega marathons, mini marathons, then various other things. You can go through this this product schedule over here, given over here. See this product schedule, everything is given. You can go through this. Okay, I'll be back tomorrow with another series. Till then, keep studying and do join the batches immediately. Okay.